Hello and welcome back to Simple English Lab. Today we are learning an important tense that helps you talk about experiences and recent actions. It's called the present perfect tense. Let's get started. What is present perfect? We use the present perfect tense to talk about life experiences. We don't say when they happen. Recent actions that are important now, things that started in the past and continue now. Structure. Subject plus have has plus past participle V3. Examples of past participle: go, gone, eat, eaten, finish, finished. Let's see a life experience. I have visited France. It happened at some time in my life. We don't say when. Recent actions. She has just finished her homework. It happened a few minutes ago and it's important now. Ongoing situation. We have lived in the city for 5 years. It started 5 years ago and is still true. Have or has. We use have with I, you, we, they. Use has with he, she, it. Examples. I have seen that movie. He has lost his keys. They have finished dinner. Common time words. Here are words we often use with present perfect. Have you ever eaten sushi? I have never ridden a horse. He has already called him. He has just arrived. Have you done your homework yet? Let's practice. Fill in the blanks using present perfect. I blank eat sushi before. I have eaten sushi before. She blank just finish her homework. She has just finished her homework. We have lived here since 2018. They blank never see snow. They have never seen snow. Quick recap. Remember, use have has plus V3. Use for experiences, recent actions, and ongoing situations. Common words: ever, never, just, already, yet. Great job. You have just learned the present perfect tense with simple explanations. If you found this easy to follow, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This is Simple English Lab. See you in the next video. Bye.